over. And the second part of my task is to make you aware of what is going to happen from next Monday. Right? This face-to-face course for you, for phase 1, will end today at 2 o'clock. You will be going home happily, and after that, don't think that we are going to leave you. We are going to follow you like hutch dogs. We are not going to leave you. There are 3 mentors in this room and around 55 participants. These 3 mentors will divide you teachers, you mentees. You are called mentees here, right? As per the course norms, you are called mentees. So each of the mentor will take care of 15 mentees, and they will help you to complete your online tasks. Right? And there are 55. How can they be divided into 3 groups? What is 55 by 3? 18 members. But as per the course norms and AZIM PREMJI University's norms, only 15 mentees, 15 teachers can be allotted to one mentor. Right? So we need one more additional mentor, and they have selected one additional mentor also. He or she, the additional mentor from this group, there is one more additional mentor to be selected. That mentor also will take up the responsibility of the remaining 9 or 10 mentees, and he will deal with the online sessions. Here, online sessions or online classes do not mean what you have seen with our children. You might have seen with your children and grandchildren how they went on online classes during Corona pandemic. Right? They used to sit in front of TVs or tabs or cell phones, and they used to listen to classes for hours together. This online course is not going to happen that way. This is a little bit different. Let us in detail continue, or let us in detail understand how this happens. Okay? So this is my task number 2, to make you aware of how you are going to proceed using a link produced by AZIM PREMJI University. All your details will reach AZIM PREMJI University by today evening. Immediately after they receive your details, they will activate your mail ID, they will activate your user ID and password. Okay. With that user ID and password, you can log into AZIM PREMJI University app as well as AZIM PREMJI University online web portal. Right. So for that we need 2 things. One is AZIM PREMJI University app to be downloaded into your mobiles. Second thing is download Zoom app into your mobiles if it is not there already. Right? So first let us finish that task. Don't write anything. I don't want any paperwork to be done. First please take out your mobiles, unlock them, draw the pattern of this. Please take your mobiles. Unlock them. Yeah, after unlocking, how many of you, please raise your hand, how many of you do not know how to download an app from Play Store, please? How many of you do not know? No problem, don't feel shy. It's common, quite common. No, later, don't interfere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, there are 8 to 10 teachers. Yeah, I've seen you. There are 8 to 10 teachers who cannot download an app from Android Play Store in their mobiles. It is not a problem at all. You can take the help of the teachers sitting beside you or behind you or in front of you. Right? The teachers who are sitting around you will definitely help you. Can you help him, sir? Yeah. Just teach them. Don't download the app for them. Just teach them how to download an app. Madam, don't give your mobile to others. Just learn how to download the app. Okay? Is it clear, madam? If you cannot download, it's not a big problem. It's not a fault. It is nothing wrong. Try to take the help from the teachers around you and download the app. App number 1 is this one. Open Play Store, Google Play Store, and type in search column this one, AZIM PREMJI University. That's all. AZIM PREMJI University. Type that spelling. Open Play Store. Click on search bar and type these words. I'll take care of it. It is better to enter your mail ID with correct spelling. Right? Then coming to password, after your account is activated, not now, after your account is activated, there will be a default password which is ELEC. What is ELEC? The short form abbreviation of course name, ELEC, in short, in small letters. Right? It is very easy, you don't need to note down. No problem, you will remember. I've written it, take this picture, mental picture, and fix it. Right? And don't try that password, it will be time waste now. Don't try your mail ID and password, no, it won't activate, it won't open the app. Don't waste your time. Just remember ELEC will be the default password only after your account is activated. That will be done by tomorrow, today late evening, 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, or sometimes tomorrow morning also. Don't worry if it is not activated tomorrow morning also. Wait for afternoon, wait for evening, or even if it is not activated, wait till the night. Because even if it is activated, you don't have any course content in that. Course content will be uploaded into each one of your app or each one of your accounts on Saturday. Today is Friday, right? Tomorrow night, 12 o'clock, late night, midnight, 12 o'clock, the course content will be uploaded into your account. So till then you don't have any work with the app, please don't waste your time. This point is clear, right? Yeah. The user ID is your mail ID with correct spelling and default password is ELEC. When you enter your user ID and password, the next page opening will not be the original course content. You don't see the original course content. Thank you. This was added between the show. Advertisement between the show. Yeah. Okay, so coming back to this. After you enter your user ID and default password, you will get across a page where it is asked, you will have still two more bars like this, boxes like this, wherein you need to enter new password. If ELEC is the same password you use, anyone can access your account, right? That will face, you will face problems with that. So for that, by default, AZIM PREMJI University app is set to change the password immediately when you log into that with user ID and default password. There is, at present, there is no condition for password. Password can be anything. But for your information, for your safety, you will find two more lines, two more links there in the app. They are, one is message. This is one thing. This is second. This is the third one you will see there. One is, there is a message video, a video taken for 2 minutes and 46 seconds, which contains the message regarding the course and English medium schools and how to get motivated about speaking in English. And the message is given by Honorable Minister for Education, Savitha Reddy Garu. You will find the whole thing here, message from Honorable Minister for Education, Savitha Reddy. If you click on that, a window opens and you can see the video in the app itself. Right? You can zoom in, you can take full screen, you know all that. You use WhatsApp, so you know all that. Right? And after watching this video, you can go through introduction. If you click this one, there will be a document opening in front of you in the app. It contains introduction about the course objective which you have learned on day 1. The course objective, how to go through this course, right? How to go with online platform, what are the tasks given to you, what is the minimum criteria to get the certificate. Do you know what is the minimum criteria to get the certificate? 100% attendance in physical classes and also 100% completion of the tasks online. Right? All these information will be given in this introduction. There will be a small instruction to you also, comforting you by saying that do not worry about the meaning of each word. When you read a text or watch a video, don't worry about if you can't understand a word or two. It is not a problem at all, as we have been following all this since. Yeah. So all these information will be given, you will read it and you will understand it, there won't be any problem. Even if you don't understand anything in the text, certain things in the text, it is not a problem. You will understand by the end of the paragraph what is given there. You can grab the minimum information because you are all well educated. That is not a problem. After these two, you will find this page, this link, not this icon, theme to food. If you touch on this theme to food, there will be a drop down list. This will expand into a drop down list, and there you can find tasks 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? These are various tasks based on the same theme. What is the theme? Food. Right? So based on the theme food, you will have 4 tasks. Task 1 is you have to watch a video, a very interesting, funny, animated video about food. Right? And after that, there will be a link there. If you touch that link, a YouTube video will open in the same app. You don't need to go anywhere. You will watch the video in the app itself. After watching the link, press back and you will come back to the task 1 page. Under that video link, there will be a question posted. It's already there in the question. Like there will be a question wherein you will be asked to discuss something. Right? Discuss about excess food production and its effects. If the food is produced, if the crops are produced excess than required, what happens? Will be the question. And under that, there will be a tab for discuss. I'll show it to you now. These are the questions for week 2, task 2. What is your favorite dish? Describe its recipe. Record it and post it, upload it. Right? Such questions will be given for each task. Here you can see this. Week 2, task 3 is watch the following video, share your comments on the discussion forum. This is the YouTube link. If you touch this YouTube link, another page opens and you will go to a YouTube video wherein you will see an interesting video about the history of tea, chai. History of chai. When was tea brought to India first? What happened after that? About the history of tea. What is the position of tea now? You will watch that interesting video, and after watching that, watch the following video, share your comments on the discussion forum. What you found on the video will be the task for it. What did you see in the video? What was it about? How did you like it? Do you have anything to share about chai? Do you drink chai? What kinds of chai are there? Tea are there? What kind of tea do you like? All these things you can discuss in the discussion forum. Discussion is nothing but typing your answers. Just like you type messages on WhatsApp, you have to type your opinions on discussion forum. Then how to go to discussion forum? Can anyone help me? There is a tab here. What is written here? Can anyone read this? Discuss. If you touch this tab discuss or click this tab discuss, it will take you to an empty box and there is a slide words written there. Type your text here. Right? Then your keypad will get activated and you can type your opinion. Like I do like drinking tea very much. I like to drink lemon tea in the morning and masala tea in the evening. Drinking tea is a very good habit. It activates our brain. All these things, whatever you want, you can write your opinion about tea and its history. You can also write your opinion about the video. How you like the video? Is it interesting? Is it useful? Is it useless? Is it waste of time? You can write any of the opinion about the video and about the topic discussed in the video.
What will be the text limit?
There is no limit to the text. You can type anything, but please be specific. Please stick to the theme and speak about the theme itself. And one more request here. At this point, I would like to request you not to give your mobiles to your son, grandson, friend, or any other person, just like we have done in Nishta program. And don't try to copy the answers from YouTube or any other blog or website like we have done in Nishta program. Not all of you. I am not blaming you. I have seen so many teachers, my colleagues and other friends who have just copied the answers. When the course started, you just browsed it very quickly. You did not read, not you, the people. Okay? The people did not read all the text and did not watch the videos. They just skipped them. And when the time for quiz came, They just looked at the YouTube link or any blog or website and they copied the answers. This is the question, what is the answer? Yeah, it is D. Over. Second question. And they got 18, 19 and 20 marks. Did we gain anything from that? Even a lago vachindadanta? Kuch fayda hua? No. In fact, there was a loss to you. There were many losses. Loss number one is you lost your valuable data balance, internet balance. Loss number two is you wasted your precious time, school time and family time also. And the third most important loss is loss of your personal conscience, antaratma. Right? We as teachers do not encourage copying, but when time came, some of us started copying the answers. So please don't follow such practices for this course because this is not a training. We have been telling you, right? This is not a training, but this is a course. So when you copy in a course, you will just get the certificate but nothing else. Right? This is not a course like MA or MSc from which we can get promotion. This is for our professional and personal best. If we can speak confidently in English, there is a lot of value added to us in the society and even inside us. We start respecting ourselves better, more than the previous day, right? When you can speak English anywhere confidently, your confidence levels will boost up. You will have more value in the society, more value in the family especially. Right? When your son or daughter or grandson or granddaughter or any of the kids in your family come to you and ask, you are a teacher, right? You just tell me the answer for this. And when you find difficulty to express that in English, it will be a very difficult situation. Right? Most of you have seen are very perfect in English, they can express themselves, but you might have lost your fluency. Right? If you don't use it, you will lose it. Because English speaks to us and it says use me or lose me. If you don't use English, you will lose English and that will be a pretty good loss to you. So for that, kindly do all the works by your own self. Learn them and do it. What if your English is not good? There is a question here, share your opinion on the video, and you can't type proper English words. You can't use proper English sentences. What happens? Will anyone laugh at you? Will anyone post laughing emojis there? You don't know English? Will anyone do that? No one will do that because no one else can see your responses except the 15 mentees in your group and one of your mentors. Only 15 people can see your responses apart from yourself. You can see your responses and only 15 more. 14 mentees and one mentor can see your responses and the mentor will give feedback. Even if your English is wrong, he is going to give you feedback about the meaning in your sentences, not about your English. Even if the mentor gives or comments on the discussion you have done, the answer you have typed or the answer you have recorded in your voice, the mentor or mentees do not respond on the type of English you have used. They will respond only about the meaning of the sentences you have typed. They respond only on your opinion, not on your type of English. So whatever the type of English you have, tuta-puta English, broken English, butler English, any kind of English, please use only that. If you keep on using and if you keep on reading others' responses also and watching valuable videos designed for you, your English language will definitely improve. If we teach grammar and vocabulary, it is not going to improve. Your English is not going to improve and you are not going to learn anything. You know that. We have done a lot of research on that. Right? So kindly believe in this program and type your own answers. Please be patient for a while and type your own answers.
What about the grace period?
Yeah, there is a this is a time-bound program, as you all know. Good doubt, sir. Thank you. You have to send the answers till the end of that week. The course content will be uploaded on Saturday night, and you have to complete that week's tasks, all 4 tasks, before Friday night. Right? That will be the criteria for your answers. After Friday also these will be active, but your progress bar will show completed after due date. Right? So that won't result in any drastic thing, but you will have a remark there. If you want to complete the course with all green bars, with excellent results. Please complete all the tasks in time. That's the only thing. Even if you complete after 1 week, there is not a problem. Your mentors will be behind you like watchdogs, as I said. They will remind you, they will ask you, they will help you how to complete. If you are facing any problem, you can make a call to them, or if you don't complete the task by the time, they will also call you back. It's not a problem at all. But please try to complete all the tasks on time. Right? 4 tasks for 1 week. It won't take more than 2 hours altogether. To complete all the 4 tasks, it won't take more than 2 hours for anyone. Even if you are weak in typing, even if you are weak in handling your mobile, no problem, it won't take more than 2 hours, at the most 2.5 hours per week, not per day. Okay? This is about the tasks. Number 1 is discuss. How do you discuss? Click this bar and there will be a text box opened there and you can type your text. Yeah. If you touch here, your keypad will activate and you can type your message there, your opinion or answer there and press done. Apart from typing the answer, if you want to show some proof about that, if you want to post your picture taking tea, you can add those pictures by clicking this pin symbol. This takes to your gallery and you can upload the photo. If you want to type something and also add some voice to it, okay? I am very happy to share this. This is my first answer. All this you can speak over the sound recorder and you can also upload that audio file. You may not need all these things. Just type the answer and press done. If you press done, it is not done. Remember this. This is a star mark statement. Yeah.
Instead of writing my answer, if I am unable to write English, can I write in the white paper and attach the file and submit?
No, instead of writing there, you can type there. It takes only typed once as your main answer. Yeah, understood your doubt. You can just write it and click the photo and upload this.
Yes.
That will become an answer, but the computer will not take it as task as completed.
The vendors are following the rules.
The mentors will follow and they will appreciate you, they will give you feedback. But the system, the app, the software installed will not take this as your task is completed. It will take,
Slow time.
yeah, they can improve their typing speeds also. Your suggestion is great, sir, I'll take that. But the system software is made like that. The app software is made like that. If you type your answer here, only then your task will be over. These options are additional. Right? The main task completed is done here. Right? After typing your answer and attaching your file, if required, touch this one or click this one. Done. And even if you touch this one, it is not done until you submit. Right? Done is different and submit is different. Yeah, these are attachment options. Attach image from gallery, take a picture, attach audio file. Right? For that pin option, additional option. Yeah, after you type your answer, there will be a button called submit. This is the most important button, most important icon. If you press this button only, the answer will be uploaded to the server and the mentors and other mentees can look at your answer. If you just type the answer and press done and think that I have answered, no, it is not. Unless you press submit for each activity or each task, it is not done.
There is no edit option.
Yeah, edit option is there, we'll talk about it. Coming back to the previous slide. Yeah, we were here, right? You press done and after that you will get submit bar. You touch the submit bar and this answer is submitted. This task 1 is over. Like that we have 3 more tasks to be done. In task 2, it might be based on the same video and some more question wherein you have to answer it by recording your voice. So for answering the task, step number 1 is watch a video or read a text. This is called input. Is it clear to you? For answering, completing the task, Number one you have to do is watch a video by touching the link, or sometimes a link will take you to some reading text. You can read the text. Then you have to answer the questions given there. There are two methods for answering. One you have just seen. Discuss. What is discussing? Do you discuss with anyone? No. You just type your answers. I'll tell you why you name it as discuss. Even if you type, you are naming it as discuss. I'll tell you why. You type your answers. Second one is upload. Right? You can send your answers even by uploading an audio. That is for some questions. For some questions, you have to type your answer in the discussion forum, and for some questions, you need to upload an audio. You should record your voice. You should record the answer with your voice, only your voice, not your friend's voice or your son's voice. You should record the answer with your own voice. Speak whatever you want. However English it is, you can speak in that, and you have to upload it onto the website or the app. How you do that? We'll just see that. Yeah, this is about recording the audio directly. You can record the audio directly by selecting these icons. When you get the question for uploading the video, uploading the audio, there you will get record audio option. Same like you got discuss option. A question ke discuss option here. Same under you will find record audio or upload audio option there, tab there. And if you press that, you will find this page. The previous page. You will find this page once you select record your audio. This is Android system documents, right? Better to select Android system there. Don't note anything. We will again tell you. We will upload this onto your WhatsApp group. Don't record anything. Don't write anything. Select Android system. When you select Android system, it will ask you two more options. These options. Right? When you select Android system, it will ask you for two options more. One is voice recorder already provided by AZIM PREMJI University. Right? This is provided already by default by AZIM PREMJI University, voice recorder. This sound recorder is from your mobile. Your mobile already has voice recorder or sound recorder, right? You know that. Does everyone know that? Your mobile has your voice recorder. These two options are those. One is by AZIM PREMJI University. This is your phone's audio recorder. For your good, I am suggesting you to select this one. AZIM PREMJI University voice recorder. When you select this, you will go to this screen. Yeah. This screen will pop up on the app. You selected voice recorder from AZIM PREMJI University, and this is the voice recorder from AZIM PREMJI University. There are three options here. Can anyone read that? I can't hear you. Yeah. One more is there. Record, play, and cancel. Which one are highlighted and which one is light in color? Play is light in color. Record and cancel are highlighted because these two options are active now. Right now, immediately these two options are active. When you touch record, right, the app starts recording whatever you say, right? And this will be the next one. It is recording. The green color shows that your voice is being recorded by the app recorder. Okay? You can record the answer. Hello, my name is Chakradhar and I am going to answer this. This is blah 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 is my answer. Over. Right? It is over. Then what do you do after your answer is over? Exactly. Very active. Stop. When you click stop, what are the two other options? Play and done. Play and done. Sorry, the letters are very light. I am reading for you. Play and done are the two options remaining. These two will be highlighted. This stop option will become lighter, and these two become bright white, and they become activated.
Sir, there is no chance to re-record or cancel the clip.
You can do that. you play this, you can just go back and then again record that. Play this. You will hear what you have recorded. If you are satisfied with that, press done and then you will get submit. If you press done, done is not done. Right? Done, done, done. You have to submit. Right? So coming back to this button, if you play it, it is not recorded. In between there is a barking of dog recorded there. In between there is a child's cry. Your son called, Amma, Amma, Palvayu. That also got recorded. You don't want to upload that, right? You don't want to upload that. Just press back button. This one. Yeah. Whatever sounds. Yeah. Whatever sounds you don't need, just press this back button and you'll go to the previous screen. This one. This one will appear again. Again do the same process. Record, play. If you are satisfied with the audio, then press done. Yeah.
But multiple clips stored in
Audio clips? I don't think so.
If we record one time, then again if we want to record, the previous clip will be there.
No, there is no chance of that kind. You have to record all your answers in one go. Right? You can record in one go, and after recording and you have posted done, it will be uploaded here, not in the server of AZIM PREMJI University app, not in the server. It will be recorded in your account only. It will be there in your account only. Then you can add any text if you want. This is optional. Right? You can write something like, this is my answer for question number 2 of task number 3. Or you can write, I am Chakradhar and I am sending my second answer. Anything like that. You want to add this so that the people watching that or hearing that audio will know what this is about. వినే వాళ్ళకి తెలుస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఇదేంటనేది దాని అడ్రస్ దాని డీటెయిల్స్ ఇక్కడ you can type them. If you are not patient enough to type them, you can just submit, no problem. But this text bar is for describing what you have recorded in this audio. This is your audio file, recording. Then you just press submit and then it goes to the main server of AZIM PREMJI University app, and people there at AZIM PREMJI University app, the key mentors and your single mentor can hear this audio by downloading. We will download your audio and listen what you have sent, and then we will give you feedback. How is it and what additional things you can do with that. Right? So this is about recording an audio and uploading it. Any questions here? All 55 have only one representative. And he is asking, what about the ladies?
Sir, this mobile app is working in iOS system?
No, iOS Apple users, there is a bad news to you. iOS version of this app is not yet developed. It is under process of development.
Then what can we do?
iOS users can borrow your parents or family members' mobile just for doing this, because this can be done any time of the day, all through the week. Right? You will find week 2 course for week number 2 only during week 2. Week 3 course is not visible. Is it clear? When is week 3 course visible to you in the app? The next week, next consecutive week. Right? Tomorrow is Saturday, you will get week 2 course uploaded onto your app. On the next Saturday, week 3 course will be uploaded. You can see week 2 and week 3, 2 courses. Right? On the coming Saturday, the next Saturday, you will see week 4 course also. There you can see all 3, 2, 3 and 4 courses, and you can open and view everything. Right? And here one more thing to remind you, if you can't see any course material or anything uploaded to you, you can press this button. There it is. Sync button here on the top. On the top there is a blue bar, right? Can everyone see the blue bar? Blue color bar on the top. What is written there? Exactly. English language and 3 dots. Beside those 3 dots there is an icon of 2 arrows. What does this mean? Refresh or sync. Right?
Sync.
Refresh
Synchronize.
or synchronize. Sync. Thank you. You are very much advanced in online courses. More than I thought. So this symbol represents refresh or sync. If you can't see anything, if you can't see the courses which you used to see yesterday or day before yesterday, the only thing you have to do is touch that sync button and it starts rotating. You can watch that, you can make time pass, you can enjoy the rotation of those arrow marks. And internally the app will try to synchronize, refresh and show you the content proper. If you face any problem in watching the content or looking at the content, if there is a notification that no content to display, just touch the sync button. Right? Clear? Yeah. Coming back to the webinar. The blue bar. What is written on the blue bar? Active courses. When you open your app, you will see this, and you can see notifications also. A bell icon and a red mark. That is for notifications. If the university sends you any notifications about anything, you will see them there. And sync, we have completed that. And there is search bar to search any of the courses or activities. Just neglect all those now. For now, we are working with only 3 dots. These dots. Can you see those 3 dots there on the right corner, small? If you touch that, you will get 5 or 6 options as a drop-down list. Yeah. These will be the drop-down list. Update content, notes, webinar, update content, report an issue, refresh course, reset the app, about us. Right? Please do not touch or experiment with any other options. These 3 dots are given only for webinars. Right? Use these 3 dots only to access webinars. Right? In this, if you touch the bar called webinar, you will go to the next screen like this. Right? This screen will appear. If there are no webinars planned till now, if you access this on Sunday, this coming Sunday, there won't be any such links called webinars. You will find a blank page. It's not a problem just because the university has not yet uploaded the link into the app. That's why you are seeing it a blank page. If the university has activated a link and designed a link and shared it into uploaded it into the app, you will find such thing. What is there in that? Can anyone read that? Read it as ELEC, not ELPC. ELEC session 3. Right? Then start date. What is start date? What do you mean by start date? What is the meaning of that? Start date. What is going to start? Yeah, this is the starting date for the webinar or Zoom meeting. And the date is Wednesday, June 10th, 2020. You will not get that date. You will get the updated date. Yeah, you will get the date and time of the webinar. You should be ready with that date and time. On that date and time, you just click the button join. Touch the button join. This app will take the link to Zoom app. It will transfer itself to your Zoom app downloaded in your mobile. Or if it is not downloaded in your mobile, it will take you to Zoom app in Chrome. Chrome app is already there in your mobile phone. So it will lead you to the web version of Zoom app. There you have to log in again, join with computer audio, all these options will be there. To avoid such confusion, download Zoom app now or today and log into that. After downloading it, touch it, open it, you will find login page, enter whatever details it is asking, just like your email ID and password. You create a password of your own. I have told you about password. And keep it ready, log in. Enter your name, what should appear when you attend a meeting. When you attend a meeting, your name is displayed. That name also you can type. Already if your son or grandson or daughter or granddaughter, anyone is using your mobile for their online classes, if they have been using it, their name will display there. Right? If Sharada Madam is attending the Zoom meeting, the name displayed will be Akshit Reddy. Who is Akshit Reddy? There is no one registered as Akshit Reddy in the list of mentees, right? Then you will face a problem. Just we may just send you out of the Zoom meeting because there is no Akshit Reddy registered. This is a wrong registered person. Right? For that purpose, if already Zoom app is downloaded in your mobile and it has been being used by some of your family members, ask them to teach you, not to change the name, to teach you how to rename. Right? If they can't do it, ask your mentor or any other person, your friend, and rename and put your name there as a display name. Put your name so that when you enter the webinar, you will be ready with your name displayed there, and even you can put your photo so that you can identify who is speaking. So all these things you will know. If you don't know, you can ask the help of your son, daughter or any friend. So if you click join, you will be taken to Zoom app. There you will see 14 more mentees of your classroom, these faces, and one of your mentor. Out of these three or one more fourth mentor. There, what will you do there? Only 2 minutes. What will you do there? You will discuss on the given topics of the theme for that week. For example, in week 2, your theme is, what is your theme? Food, right? Food. Your mentor will give you the topic to discuss on the day prior to the meeting, webinar. He will transfer those questions or topic, whatever we need to discuss, on WhatsApp group. You will get the topic and questions on WhatsApp group. Get ready to speak about that in the Zoom app. He will give you a chance to speak everyone in the classroom. And in Zoom, we have an option of breaking out rooms. As we have broken out into different groups in this classroom activity, in Zoom also, we have an option called breakout rooms. You all know what is general Zoom meeting. Everyone will be seen there. Anyone can speak by unmuting themselves, and after speaking they can mute themselves and listen what others are saying. This is common platform of Zoom. There is one more option called breakout rooms. This is used for group activity. Right? When you are divided into groups and sitting in the groups and discussing, you can't hear what that group is discussing. You can't hear what this group is discussing. You can hear only the voices of the 5 or 6 people sitting in a group, right? Am I correct? Yes. Similarly, in breakout rooms, all the 15 participants will be divided into 3 breakout rooms, and they will be automatically sent to those rooms. There, in those breakout rooms, you will see only 5 or 6 participants who are in your room, and you can listen to only their voices. There you will discuss on the topic, and after the topic time, discussion time is over, the mentor will bring you back to the common Zoom session, wherein one of the group member will present to the whole group, larger group. Did you get it? This is group activity going on in Zoom meeting. Just simply that. When you begin the Zoom class, all will be seen, all will be heard. All of the members, 15 members will be seen and heard. When you are divided into breakout rooms for 5 or 10 minutes per se, only 5 members will be seen and 5 voices will be heard in that group. You will discuss on the given topic, only 5 of these, and you will decide who is going to present in the larger group. After 10 minutes, you will be brought into the first session where you can see all 15 mentees. There, group 1 will present. One of the group 1 member will present their own discussion, what happened in the group. Group 2, group 3. That's all is going to happen in the webinar or Zoom meeting. Right? That's all from my side. And last parting words.